How to fix Omi TV camera not working. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'll show you the procedure on how can you fix Omi TV camera not working. There are a couple of things you could try. First of all, what you want to do is locate Omi TV. Long press onto the app, go to app info section. Here you want to go to permissions and you simply want to make sure to allow camera, just like that. Click on allow only by using this app. After which you can do the same thing with locations and microphone as well, and this way you'll have successfully enabled or fixed the Omi TV camera not working problem. However, if you're unable to do it so, or if you're still facing issue, then you also want to check for an update. Sometimes it might be due to the outdated version. You want to open the respective app store and go to Omi TV or type in, and here you should be able to find update option and check whether that will be able to help you out or not. Once again, if you still face the same issue, then you simply want to try clearing your cache. So for that, you actually want to go ahead and long press the Omi TV once again and go to app info section. Then you want to go to storage and cache, click on clear cache, and now see or try opening it and see whether that has fixed your issue or not. Despite all this procedure, if nothing works, then you want to simply uninstall the application or restart your device and then once again reinstall the application. This is going to definitely help you out. So that's how you could fix. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.